Hey fundraisers, Chad Barger here, sneaking in a quick tips video as the rain starts, so bear with me, we're going to be brief here today. I have a quick tip for you this week. It's about your donation thank you page when somebody makes an online donation. You know, typically these are pretty standard with, thank you so much for your support, we'll mail you a gift acknowledgement in a couple days, we couldn't do this without you, da-da-da-da-da. Good folks will share a story on there, have a little bit of donor impact, what is actually going to happen with donations like this. That's a step in the right direction. Some folks will put a video in there saying thank you. Sometimes they even have the beneficiary saying thank you in that video, and that's a great step. And that's the direction I want to take today. But instead of a video, I want a handwritten thank you note from that beneficiary, scanned in and plopped right onto that donation thank you page. Wouldn't that be neat? As soon as you make your donation, you instantly get a thank you from one of the people that will benefit from your support. So just amp up that page, make it impactful. Whether it's a video, a thank you note, or something, have something and have word from the beneficiaries. They're not paid to say thank you, you are. So anytime you can let them speak for you, it's so much better. That's it for this week, everybody. Happy fundraising.